Welcome to the second day of SMM. We're going to cover here a topic that has caused some of a storm in a water class in the industry, which is FuelEU, and how will that impact the industry and whether we are really ready for that. My name is Ossi Mettala. I work as a product manager for NAPA Shipping Solutions. I'm here joined by Risto Kariranta. I bet many of you know him. He's of the CEO of the Ahti Climate.
Thank you, Ossi. The readiness for FuelEU Maritime, is the shipping ready for that? I don't have a definite answer for that, but I know how to get ready for that. You have certain steps you need to prepare for. You need to address what is your strategy and tactics for. This includes, do you want to pay, for example, the penalties, or do you want to go for biodiesel, or whichever way you want to go. So you should have a plan. So if you think about the pros and cons of the main options, so we have paying the penalties, use of biodiesel. Third one is if you have dual fuel vessels, then you are in a really good position. You have possibility to pursue, for example, LNG, bio-LNG. And the final one, joining a pool and buying compliance, is a very easy solution, and it can be very cost effective. Our company, Ahti Climate, is happy to help you with these kind of questions. We have compliance for sale already.
Okay, thank you, Risto. That was a good overlook on the FuelEU and what kind of challenges that might set for the industry, and also how to comply with just such a new regulation that we're heading up against. NAPA has launched recently a FuelEU module on our fleet intelligence platform. Finally, maybe to tie everything together. So FuelEU module, that is an easy to use, comprehend, fuss-free tool for you to manage your vessel's compliance, and it is also an integral part of the NAPA fleet intelligence. So it is part of the overall solutions that we are providing. And finally, maybe the most importantly, if there's interest, feel free to contact us at sales@napa.fi. Thank you, and we are more than happy to be your trusted provider on the decarbonization journey that you are already going through.